What is going on? Today doing another video for you, this time with the Shark IQ. Got the same exact test that the E5, Roomba, and the DSER Robogeek 23T did. It's got 1.5 ounces of rice and lentils spread across this area. And I was curious, since you know I don't really like this robot, I was curious on its first job. I deleted the map and everything. So I'm going to tell it to clean, and I'm going to see how it does on its first run. I have a feeling it's going to leave some behind, but that's just what I'm thinking. Hopefully I'm wrong, and this guy can prove me wrong, but I can't be the only one that dislikes this. As I've been saying in my videos, I got 3 full pallets of robot vacuums coming to me that are returns. And there's at least 10 of them or so that are Shark IQs. So quite a few of these do get returned. So I'm not the only one that dislikes this vacuum. But I did want to see if a cheap $200 vacuum can do just as good, if not better, than this guy on its first initial run. Yes, this thing will do better after it's mapped. But that takes up to 30 runs, which is ridiculous. So I'm just going to hit clean and see how this guy does. And I'm going to put it on its normal suction mode. So we'll see if it leaves anything. I hope it can do good. I mean, it is a $500 robot with the bin. This guy starts right out of the box, straight as it can go, and then it's going to do lines back and forth, which in my mind sound like a pretty smart way to start. I think it's going to do good overall. That's the one praise I ever gave this robot, was the actual cleaning ability is pretty good. It's just the navigation, the map, and the app is pretty much garbage. But as you can see with this one, compared to the other two, this is what the camera-based system does. It knows exactly where it is in the room, and it knows exactly what line to follow, whereas the other ones just randomly go wherever they want. But they clean up the whole mess, so yeah. And I also want to see, once again, it's only 1.5 ounces. I want to see if it has to go back and empty itself before it's done with this job, which neither of the other ones have to do. So I'm going to let this run, do its thing, and then we will go over how it did and if it gives me any errors or anything. Should be a very simple test for a shark that has such a high IQ. Should be a very easy test for any robot that has navigation built in. Shark IQ is done, and I can tell from here that the other two blew it out of the water. So there it is, fully done. It did clean itself out and is not going back. Yes, I have recharge and resume on. I got all the settings right. Let's take a look, see what it missed. Good amount of pieces there. Bunch right there. And just wait till we get, oh man, a bunch right here. Just wait till we get to the hardwood. Look at all of this that it missed. I didn't even think, I hate this robot. I didn't even think it would do this bad. Guys, do not buy the Shark IQ. You will regret it. You will return it. That's why I'm getting so many back on pallets. I'd rather them be Roombas, but I gotta take what I get. So, as you can see, it did a poor job. I mean poor. Look at all this still over here. When a $200 non-navigational robot can beat a Shark product that's about 500 plus, that kind of blows my mind, to be honest. Yes, I know some of you will say, well, it needs to map your house and it'll do a better job. True, but it's still gonna do basically the same pattern that it did. I don't know why it missed so much. You can see the wheels went over it. And then because it only does that single pattern, it flicks around too much debris and it doesn't go back over it again to clean up afterwards. So maybe if this thing was set to double clean, which I don't even think that's an option for the Shark IQ, then maybe it'd get it all, but I would suspect that there would still be some on this hardwood. I'm honestly surprised. I didn't think it'd do that bad. Bad Sharky, you have been the worst robot I've ever had. So what do you guys think about this test, to be honest? I know some of you put down some crazy comments saying how unfair it was and whatnot, but I literally ran E5 and the other DSER robot one time by hitting clean, let it do its thing, and then it was done. This thing did its thing and left a ton behind. So, yeah, negative. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Once again, if you haven't been to my channel lately, or this is your first video of mine you've seen, I have a whole bunch of robot vacuums coming on 3 big liquidation pallets. It's well over 100 vacuums I'm getting, so if you're into that Amazon returns / unboxing videos, I'm going to be unboxing all those on video. Should be pretty cool. So like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have yourself an awesome day. See ya. So the robots I was talking about is the DSER Robogeek 23T. I did the same exact test, and it cleaned up every spec. Same with the iRobot Roomba E5. If you want to see the difference that these robots do and how they perform, check my other videos, and I just made videos of those. I'll also try and throw them down in the description below, and you can just click and watch that link.